If you leave the ignition system on overnight, it flattens the battery. Or if you try to start the machine too many times, it will flatten the battery. We supply a jump pack which should be kept on charge at all times. To use that jump pack, undo the straps and remove the side cover to expose the battery. Place your positive in the location of the positive terminal. Make sure it's clipped on. And fit it onto there or onto any other metal exposed in neutral. Switch it on. When you come to start the machine, you will be using the booster pack to start it. Once you've started it, immediately remove and switch off. Put this back on charge, 240 volt socket, and keep it on charge at all times. Replace the side cover